You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these French territory. I know both pronunciations are used. It's essentially an island that still belongs to France. The French pronunciation, and then how we can say it in English. Saint-Pierre, Saint, there's a silent T, Pierre, which is a very French name, it's Peter. Et is French for and. Miquelon, Miquelon. Saint-Pierre-et-Miquelon, Saint-Pierre-et-Miquelon. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, that's fine. You can say Saint-Pierre, Saint-Pierre, and Miquelon. Or Miquelon, Saint-Pierre and Miquelon. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.